Hello everyone, I'm Ralph Mahalik Jr., the Low Payment King. 2026 is going to be a huge year for the Low Payment Kings, and here's why. We're going to kick off the year on May 26th at Monroe Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram Superstore with our 60th anniversary celebration of the Monroe Dodge Superstore and the Low Payment Kings. That's going to be on Tuesday night, May 26th, here in Monroe, Michigan. Please join us. The next huge event we got coming up will be our Jeep Fest kickoff celebration. That'll be on Friday, August 7th on the 18 obstacle Jeep off-road course here at the Monroe Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram Superstore. We kick off a huge Jeep Fest weekend as we celebrate the 60th anniversary of the Low Payment Kings, the 85th anniversary of Jeep, and America 250, the 250th anniversary of the United States of America, which we're so proud of. Then come September, we're going to have the 20th anniversary celebration at the all-new showroom at the Buckeye Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram Fiat Superstore in Shelby, Ohio. We're going to have a big celebration on Wednesday night, September 23rd. Please join us for that celebration. Then the following day, on September 24th, we're going to be hosting our 13th 18 Aces to Conquer Cancer charity golf event for pancreatic cancer research. That's going to take place at the Westbrook Country Club, which is all new and remodeled, a fantastic golf course, a fantastic clubhouse. They just spent millions of dollars on that new facility. That's going to be on Thursday, September 24th. We'd like everybody to help us support that event. Whether you can join us at the event or not, please do something to help support that event. We need volunteers, we need golfers, we need silent auction items, live auction items. We're asking for everybody's help in supporting our 18 Aces to Conquer Cancer charity golf tournament. Please help us raise money for pancreatic cancer research. It's a big deal, and we're making a lot of progress on that. We're asking for your help. Everybody can help out in some way, shape, or form, please, on that deal. The night before, Wednesday night, we're really excited to kick off our brand new showroom at the Buckeye Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram Fiat Superstore on Wednesday night, September 23rd. So it'll be a jam-packed year with the Low Payment Kings. Please be a part of it. Please join us. We want to thank all of our team members and all of our customers that have been part of the Low Payment King history over the last 60 years. We couldn't do it without each and every one of you. We appreciate all of you, our team members and our loyal customers. Very proud of my brother Mike Mahalik, recently nominated as Time Magazine's Quality Dealer of the Year, sponsored by Ally Bank. Proud of Mike. He was one of 47 finalists on stage recently at the National Auto Dealers Convention in Las Vegas. One of 47 finalists from amongst 16,000 dealerships across America. Proud of Mike for all the charity work he's done, everything he's done in the community in Central Florida, and helping us out at all of our stores in Michigan, Ohio, and Florida. Congrats, Mike. Very proud of you and the Low Payment King team. Great that you were nominated as a Time Magazine Quality Dealer of the Year. Congratulations on being one of 47 finalists representing our stores and representing the 16,000 dealerships across America. Please join us for an exciting test drive soon. We have many award-winning models, including our Jeep Wrangler and our Jeep Grand Cherokees, two of the most awarded SUVs of all time. And recently, our Dodge Charger, the all-new gas-powered Dodge Charger, was just named North American Car of the Year, and our Ram 1500 and Ram 2500 were two of the three finalists for North American Truck of the Year. Come see us, join us for an exciting test drive soon, and many of our award-winning models with the Low Payment Kings. Again, we have locations in Michigan, Ohio, and Florida. We can ship any new or used vehicle anywhere in America. So call us toll free, join us for an exciting test drive soon, or check out online hundreds of vehicles, videos, and Low Payment King specials at lowpaymentkings.com.